We are Brian and Cindy Moody. We live in Trilogy in Vistancia in Peoria. People come to our house and are blown away. From the moment you open the front door, the very center of the pool is in the middle of the hallway. You're led to that backyard.
We really just found the level of professionalism from Arizona Rainfall to stand out.
The outdoor kitchen really stands out to me. It's really important to me to have that great outdoor kitchen, and I cook most of the time out there.
For me, I think it's the pool. Particularly in the evening, if you light the fire cauldrons and the lights are on in the pool, and it's stunning. It really is the center point, and it just grabs your attention from the second you walk in our door.
Arizona Rainfall listened to what we wanted, and we have blueprints, and we have videos, and we have everything that showed us exactly what our yard was going to look like.
They 100% wanted to make sure that we were happy. Trust them. They're there to do what you want to have done.